Hello, good morning, students. Once again, you are welcome. And the second part of the story, two stories about flying. Chapter number 3, First Flight. Its second part by Frederick Forsyth. I am going to uh, explain this story. Open your book and on page number 37. The moon was coming up in the east. The black aeroplane is the chapter of this, is the name of this chapter, and the moon was coming up in the east. The moon was coming up in the east. Behind me, the stars were shining in the clear sky above me. It was dark. It was late night. Time was about 1 p.m. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. time was there, and it was midnight. The moon was looking as if it was going towards east, and it was behind him. That means that when moon was coming up in the east and it was behind me, that means moon was in the west direction, and stars were also shining in the clear sky above me. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. No cloud was there in the sky. I was very happy to be alone high up above the sleeping country yard. Country yard means rural side. When he was flying his aeroplane, he was over the countryside area, the area of villages. The people of villages were sleeping at that time, and he was flying his Dakota. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane over France back to England. Over France. He was now at present over France, but he was going towards England. I was dreaming of my holidays and looking forward to being with my family. He was flying from France to England to join his family, and it was his dream that he wanted to mingle with his family members and sit with them on the breakfast table. I looked at my watch. 1:30 in the morning. In the morning means it was midnight, but after 12 o'clock morning starts. So 1:30 in the morning. I should call Paris control soon, I thought. As I looked down past and nose of the aeroplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. I should call, he says, I means here the narrator, I should call Paris control soon. I thought, मैंने सोचा कि मुझे पेरिस कंट्रोल में कॉल करना चाहिए. As I looked down past the nose of the aeroplane, I saw the lights of a big city in front of me. A big city was there in front of him when he saw the downwards, and I switched on the radio and said, Paris control Dakota DS 4088 here. He switched on his equipment, that is radio, and passed this message by saying, Paris Control, Dakota DS 088 here. Can you hear me? He is talking to the persons who were sitting in Paris Control room. Can you hear me? I am on my way to England. Over. The voice from the radio answered me immediately. He decided to call Paris Control. He then radioed to it. He told it that he was on his way back to England. Paris Control duly acknowledged, यानी कि उसने जब संपर्क किया, उसने उसे बताया कि वो वापस इंग्लैंड जा रहा था. पेरिस कंट्रोल ने उसको बात समझ में आ गई और उसने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया. It advised him to turn 12 degree west. The Paris Control advised him to turn towards 12 degree west, and I checked the map and compass, switched over to my second and last fuel tank. What he did, he checked his compass and map. And compass is an instrument which tells the direction of north always. It tells the direction. Which direction? North direction. That is called compass. इस तरह से उसने कंपास को चेक किया. We can understand, we can find out in which direction we are flying or we are going. And map also helps us to find the particular location. Switched over to my second and last fuel tank, and he checked his last fuel tank and turned to Dakota 12 degrees west towards England. I will be in time for breakfast. I thought. What he thought? I will be in time for breakfast, because it was his extreme immense desire to join his family members at the time of breakfast. I thought a good big English breakfast. Everything was going well. It was an easy flight. Everything was going well, and it was an easy flight. It was first flight, but very easy. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind me when I saw clouds, storm clouds. They were huge. They looked like black mountains standing in front of me across the sky. Now the weather has been changed, and when he started his journey, there were no clouds and stars were shining. But after some time, when he was away 150 kilometers away from Paris, what he saw? He saw the clouds, and stormy clouds were there. They were very huge, like mountains, and they were black also. And I knew I could not fly up and over them, and I did not have enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south, because the atmosphere became very cloudy and it was darkness all over the sky, and it was very difficult for him to fly more. and he did not have any enough fuel to fly around them to the north or south. I ought to go back to Paris. What he thought, he should go back to Paris, I thought, but I wanted to get home. It was very pathetic condition. Very that situation was making him puzzle whether he should go back to Paris or he should go forward to England to join his family. It was these two questions were very great for him, and वो उसके बीच में बड़ा confusing condition में था. I thought, but I wanted to get home. I wanted that breakfast, and I'll take the risk. What he thought, he was very bold and strong person. He thought, I'll take the risk. I thought, and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. And he took the decision of taking risk and flew that old Dakota. Dakota was an old aeroplane straight into the storm. सीधा storm में उसने जो है उसको ले गया. Inside the clouds, everything was suddenly black. It was impossible to see anything outside the plane. So now he was surrounded by clouds, dark, stormy clouds, and around him there was only darkness and darkness. And he could not see anything out of the plane. And it was impossible to see anything outside the aeroplane. The old aeroplane jumped and twisted in the air. Old aeroplane, what happened? It jumped and twisted. Twisted means रोलिंग होने लग गया, यानी कि गोल गोल घूमने लगा, ट्विस्टिंग होने लग गया. I looked at the compass. Now he looked at the compass to know the direction. I couldn't believe my eyes. The compass was turning round and round and round. It was dead. His compass was also dead. It was not working, and it was turning round and round and round. Only one thing it was showing. It would not work. The other instruments were suddenly dead. Other instruments were also dead. They were also not doing work properly. I tried the radio. Then he tried the radio. So I finished today this part of the story, the black aeroplane, and we will continue in the next video. Till that, be safe and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice